Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to start on my Honda Spree moped, 1985 I believe. Old. It's the same age as my mom. I'm kidding, it's not, but so it's been more like a year since I started it on. Like probably like since not winter, like when the cicadas were out. So yeah, it's going to be a cold start. So I've not started this, so here we go. So this is gonna be a cold start. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for now because that's a lot of damn smoke. Nope, get out. Make sure that shit inside. That's a lot of smoke. But yeah, it's Honda Spree moped.